Every week, I try to move one step closer to three goals: cracking G, getting a strong SAT score, and building better AI systems through Ask AG. 3. Today wasn't about being perfect, it was about making measurable progress. One of my biggest goals this month was reducing my class 12 backlog. Instead of jumping between random chapters, I focused on finishing one topic at a time. This week, I completed the backlog for solutions and electrochemistry. It may seem like two chapters, but finishing old backlogs makes every new class much easier to understand. There are still a lot left, but for the first time, it actually feels manageable because I have a clear plan. Alongside G, I'm also preparing for the SAT. It's a completely different way of thinking, so I'm trying to stay consistent instead of cramming everything into one day. This week, I finished all of my planned experiments for ARPS AGI. 3. Instead of continuing to tweak random parameters, I reached the point where it made more sense to move on. My next objective is building tools that the agent can use to solve tasks more effectively. After completing my current ARC AGI 3 experiments, I've started planning the next phase of the project. Instead of using a single AI model, I want to build a workflow that combines the strengths of Kimi K3 and Claude Opus 5. My idea is to let Claude Opus 5 handle the research side of the project, analyzing papers, breaking down complex problems, reviewing architectures, and helping design new approaches. Kimi K3 will focus on implementation, writing, and improving code, building new tools for the agent, debugging, and rapidly iterating on experiments inside the Arc AGI 3 environment. Together, I want to create an AI assisted research pipeline where Claude Opus 5 acts as the research engineer and Kimi K3 acts as the implementation engineer. Instead of asking one model to do everything, each model will specialize in what it does best. The immediate goal is to build better tools for the Arch AGI 3 agent, automate more of the experimentation process, and explore new strategies that could improve performance on the benchmark. This is still an idea on paper, but over the next few weeks, I'll start building it step by step and document the entire journey.